The idea of having an online business has increasingly attracted more people. Whether it's the promise of greater freedom and flexibility or the dream of working from anywhere, this work model has become a desirable option for many. But is it worth investing in an online business? So, we're now going to show you the main advantages and challenges of doing business online to help you make an informed and assertive decision, all practically and straightforwardly. To try and make the subject very clear, we're going to show the following points. Why are online businesses on the rise? Main advantages of setting up an online business. Challenges of having an online business that few people know about. So, let's go. 1. Why are online businesses on the rise? We live in an era where the internet is no longer just a useful resource, but an essential tool for our daily lives. Because people buy, learn, work, and even socialize online. And this scenario creates gigantic opportunities for those who want to start a business. In this way, the market has also been changing, with many companies and consumers adopting digital solutions. And this is increasing more and more. At the same time, people's consumption habits have also changed, which has opened doors for new types and models of business. Therefore, if you're thinking about setting up an online business, the advantages are quite attractive. But as with any other undertaking, there are considerable challenges to be faced, and that's what we're going to show you now. 2. Main advantages of setting up an online business. Setting up a traditional business requires a high initial investment, such as renting a physical space, inventory, equipment, and other operational costs. On the other hand, an online business can be started with significantly fewer resources. For example, it's possible to create a virtual store using accessible platforms like Shopify or Wix, or even sell products on marketplaces like Amazon, which eliminates the need to create a website from scratch. Furthermore, one of the biggest advantages of having an online business is the possibility of working from anywhere and at any time. Thus, this offers a freedom that is difficult to find in traditional work models. Whether in the comfort of your home, in a coffee shop, or even in another country, you can manage your business with just a laptop or cell phone and an internet connection. In addition to this flexibility also allows you to organize your routine according to your own priorities. And unlike a local business which serves a specific region, an online business can reach people all over the world. This considerably increases the sales potential and expands your growth opportunities. For example, an online course or an ebook can be sold to anyone who speaks the same language as you, regardless of where they are. At the same time, with the digital tools currently available, it's possible to automate a large part of your business operations, such as customer service, email sending, and inventory management. This not only reduces operational costs, but also allows your business to grow in a scalable way. For example, while a physical restaurant has a capacity limitation, a virtual store can handle thousands of orders simultaneously as long as it has good inventory control and logistics. Furthermore, an online business allows you to explore multiple income streams. For example, in addition to selling products, you can earn money with affiliate programs, advertising, courses, and other digital services. Furthermore, with real-time tools and analytics, it's easier to adjust marketing strategies, change prices, or launch new products quickly. This allows your business to adapt and respond rapidly to market demands. 3. Challenges of having an online business that few people know about. If, on the one hand, the low initial cost attracts many entrepreneurs, on the other hand, this also increases competition. Keep in mind that standing out among thousands of companies that offer similar products or services can be a challenge. In this way, to overcome this scenario, it is essential to invest in differentiation, such as good customer service, exclusive products, or relevant content that builds customer loyalty. From the same point of view, setting up and managing an online business requires knowledge in various areas, such as digital marketing, sales, social media, and data analysis. Therefore, if you are a beginner, it can be challenging to handle so many fronts at the same time. However, there are countless learning resources, such as online courses and free tutorials, that can help you acquire these skills. There's no shortage of information these days. And for some people, the lack of face-to-face interaction with customers can be a disadvantage. Depending on the type of product or service you offer, the absence of direct contact can make it difficult to create a closer and more trusting relationship with the audience. Furthermore, contrary to what many imagine, an online business does not run on autopilot. It is necessary to constantly update content, analyze data, monitor market trends, and adjust your strategies. For example, if you sell physical products, you will need to manage inventory, deal with logistics, and offer after-sales support. Or if you work with digital materials, you will need to produce new materials regularly to engage your audience. In the end, is it worth it? The answer depends on your goals, profile, and willingness to face the challenges. For many people, the benefits of having an online business outweigh the difficulties, especially when there is planning and dedication. If you are looking for flexibility, global reach, and the opportunity to work on something you love, an online business may be the ideal choice. However, it is essential to remember that success does not happen overnight. Investing in continuous learning, understanding your audience's needs, and being willing to adapt are key factors for achieving positive results. Furthermore, it is important to be prepared to make mistakes, learn from them, and move forward. Besides, if you want to prepare much better to start your online business, if is that the case, watch this video that shows the main mistakes of beginner entrepreneurs that all professionals must know it. To watch it, click on this button above or the link in the description. And just to recap what we've talked about here, why are online businesses on the rise? Main advantages of setting up an online business. Challenges of having an online business that few people know about.
We hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to know more about how to set up and manage your own business, visit our YouTube channel where we have several videos about this subject, and if you liked it, share this video with your friends and family to help them too. Thanks and see you next time.